it's real. Look at that jump. You good? It's a rug, buddy. All right, Hank, your turn. Easy. Whoop. Oh, he spooked you, huh? Oh, okay, dramatic. It's a rug, buddy. Wow, that was some parkour. See, nothing scary. Just pretend. The scout's investigating now. Look at her. She doesn't even care.
Honey, it's just a rug. You got outsmarted by a cat.
This rug. He's so unsure.
Wait, watch that. Oh, she saw it! Now she's like, what sorcery is this? Buddy still thinks it's real. Cat.